Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, I will cover some more problems related to factorization of polynomials. So here in exercise 4.5, question number 7. What says? Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So here are some numbers in cubic form and we have to evaluate these numbers not simply by using numbers multiplication or like that, but we have to evaluate this by using algebraic identities, right? So first part is 99 whole cube. What we can write it? 99, we can write 99 as 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 means, so what will come here? 100 minus 1 whole cube. So which identity we can use here? We can use here x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus jxy into x minus y. So when we are using it, so we can write this in the form 100 whole cube minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into xy means 100 into 1 into x minus y means 100 minus y. Now we have to multiply all these and solve all these numbers. So after solving it, we will get this thing, and here one will get minus 1 whole cube will become minus 1, and this will become 300 and 100 minus 1. And now after multiplying and solving this, you will get 9,70,299. So you have to be careful when you are expanding these zeros. So zeros will be proper in counting, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Second part says 102 whole cube. 102, what we can write? We can write 100 plus 2. So now 100 plus 2 whole cube means we are using the property here or using the identity here, x plus y whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. Where what we are doing, we have put these values of x and y. This is x and this is y in right hand side of this property. Sorry. So after expanding it, after calculating it, we will get the answer 10,61,208. Third part says 998 whole cube. So what we can write this? 1000 minus 2. And this is same as x minus y whole cube. If you are making it, putting it in this bracket, so what you will get? 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So which property we can use? We can use x minus y whole cube. So what it says? X cube minus y cube minus jxy into x minus y. And we are putting this is x and this is y now. So we are putting here in x in place of x1 and y. And we are getting the answer this. You have to be very careful when you are solving these numbers with zeros, because one zero will be missed out, there will be a drastic change in your answer. So answer will be wrong. So you have to be very careful. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says factorize each of the following. That means the first part is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So what we can do, we have to find it out in which form, in which identity we are using this kind of related to this kind of expression. So x plus y whole cube says x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So we can try to make it in that form. So 3xy into, so what is x here? We have to check. X is 2a. What is y here? Y is b. Okay. So now if you are putting these two values in this formula and if you are getting this, that means you have to use this identity. You are in correct way. Here 3xy, 3 into 2a into b. into x plus y, 2a plus b. Now you can check 3 into 2a, 6, 6 2s are 12, a square b plus 3 a b square. Sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 a b square, and we got same. So that means we can write this we can write this expression in the form of this identity, right? So here expression can be written as in this form. Now after solving it, we will get 2a plus b whole cube means x plus y, 2a plus b whole cube. And as I said earlier, if we have power 3 here, so we can write it 3 times with multiplication sign, dot, right? So that is it. Next part is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here the identity will be used because here minus b, we are getting minus b cube. So identity will be used x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3ab minus into x minus y will be used. Not 3ab, 3xy into x minus y. So here x equals to 2a, y equals to b. X equals to 2a from where we got? From here. And y equals to b from here we got. So now we are putting these values in this expression. Then we see what we get. So here after putting 2a cube minus b cube minus 3 2a square b plus 3a b square. So here after multiplying inside, in this form first we will write, and after multiplying this we will get this. So this is the form which we can write. What is the form? X minus y whole cube. So we have written 2a minus b whole cube, and this cube will make these expression you can write in 3 times. 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. For next question, 27 minus 125a minus 135a plus 225a square. So here 27, you can write it 3 cube, right? 125a cube, 125a cube. What you can write here? 5a whole cube. Okay. Then here 135a and 225a square. So what we will write here? Here it is only one variable is using. So here 3xy means 3 into, so we are putting in this in the identity x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So in this identity, after putting in this identity, what we will get? 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into a into b or x into y. So 3 into 3 into 5a, 3 into x into y. This is x, this is y, and this is x, this is y, right? So 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are what we get? Okay. Sorry, we don't have to calculate it because we have to write it in this form. So only what we have done, we have expanded, we have written in this form this expression, and then we got this. This is x. So here x and y, value of x are coming here. Here this is y and value of y is coming here. In the same way, this identity is written here. So we can write this x minus y whole cube means 3 minus 5a whole cube, and then you can write this 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Fourth part says the given expression is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. This is b cube actually. This is not this, right? So here the identity x minus y whole cube will be used. This identity will be used. So here a equals to 4a and y equals to 3b. We are putting in this to form this x minus y whole cube. So after putting 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 4a into 3b, within a bracket 4a minus 3b. So here what we got, same form we have got in the form of x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So what we can write this? We can write in the form of x minus y whole cube. So we are writing 4a minus 3b whole cube. Now we can write this 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. Now question number fifth, we are getting, part fifth, section, question number 8 and section 5. We are solving it 7p cube minus 1 by 216 in minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. So what we can write it here, we can take from this expression x equals to 3p and y equals to 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? Because if you are writing in the form of cube, 1 by 6 whole cube, so what you will get? 216, right? So this we have written in this form, so this will become y. So y equals to 1 by 6 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Now we are putting these two values in the right hand side of this identity which we are using here. Which identity we are using here? I have written x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here the expression can be written as when after putting the values of x and y. What you are getting? We are getting 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3x y. This is whole square. This is not. And this is 3xy. So 3xy, so y is here and this won't be here. Okay. So here we are getting the 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6, x minus y. This. So after calculating this, 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube, we can write in that form because the expression is same as in this form. And then you can write 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubts in comment section. So I will make your doubts clear in another videos for sure. So now you will see some other videos for more problems related to factorization of polynomial. Till then, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Till then, bye bye. Have fun.